Okay, now we are in VS Code and let's create a file for this program. Index.html. Okay, after that, create one more file for styles, style.css. Okay, let's make basic boilerplate of HTML. After that, link here CSS, style.css, and title is gradient text. And let's take a HTML tag with class name is gradient text. Okay, text, let's take any default text. Happy new year 2026. Okay, this is our text that we are going to animate by using gradient text. Okay, so let's run this program on our live server. Okay, now our text looks like this and provide some CSS, body, background color, anything else like little black color. Let's take through this. Okay, this is good enough. Background display flags, justify content center, align item center, and height लेंगे 100. Height will take 100 vh. Okay, after that zoom in a little bit for this. Okay, and gradient text will insert this. And let's take font size 48 pixel, font weight bold. Okay, background linear gradient 270 degree, and these colors. Background size 600%, 600%. WebKit background text clip will be text. Okay, and this is also looks like really nice. And WebKit text fill color transparent, ban animation gradient move 5 second is infinite. Okay, after that at the rate keyframes identifier will be gradient move 0%, background position 0% and 50%, 50% background position 100% and 50%, 100% background position 100% 0% and 50%. Okay, now it is working perfectly. So this is our program to make gradient color to this animated form. Okay, so this is our program for text animation.